Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to review this Expedition parka from Canada Goose. This is a collaboration from Bape and Concepts. Okay, and I'm going to talk about 5 things about this parka, about construction materials, features, sizing, price, and my overall opinion. Early this afternoon I did a quick unboxing video and I told you guys that I'm going to upload the full details of this parka, like the full review. Okay guys, I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's start with the branding, with the logos. Okay, we got a classic disc logo here of Canada Goose branding here, and Bating 8 patch and concept patch on the right arm, and at the back here there's a webbing grab strap and with the Expedition emblem. Okay, and this comes with the hood trim. Okay, I'll try to remove it. It's detachable, so if you want to remove it, it's okay. I actually measured this one. This is 18 inches. So if you got some Canada Goose trim, it won't fit because what they have is just the 20 inches and the 21, if I'm not mistaken. So unfortunately, you cannot replace it with this one, with that one I mean. Okay, and that is for the hood trim. Okay, it has a shaping wire here. Okay, with the Bating Ape camo print. Okay, and here are the tags. Okay. This is warm. I'm actually sweating. My back is already soaked. This parka is made of durable Arctic Tech fabric, which is water resistant, and it is filled down with 625 fill power white duck down, and it should be dry clean only. This parka is rated TEI 5, meaning it can withstand minus 30 degrees and below. Okay, so basically it can withstand the coldest places like Antarctica. Okay, like here in Canada. That's how warm this parka is. Okay, and now we're going to talk about the zippers. There are two YKK zippers. Okay, and on the zipper itself there's a short pull strap. There's a Canada Goose branding concept and the Bating Ape. Okay, beside the zippers there's also a Velcro closures beside it. About the pockets, there's 2 inner pockets. One is zippered. One on the side is a bit bigger, and also there's a elasticized snow skirt for added protection. Keep you warm, so stay locked in place. See, like a belt type. So the air won't go in, keeps you more warmer. And there's 2 draw cord strings here. Okay, let's try to close it. It's warm. It has also a fleece chin guard, and if you can see the sleeves, it's a rib knit wool, keeps you more comfortable and lock the heat. Okay, and about the pockets, you got 2 up front and 2 at the bottom. Up front there's some Velcro strips. Okay, and on the sides there's also a pocket, so total of 2, and then Oh, actually there's like another pocket inside the pocket. Please line. And at the bottom, and also on the side there, it's zippered. And on the left arm, there's 2 pen holders here. Okay, so a total of like 2, 4, 6, 8 pockets, plus 2 inner pockets, plus this one. So you got 11. So on this hood trim, there's 2 draw cords too. Let's try to close it. I'm actually sweating already. See? And for the sizing, I'm wearing a small size, and I honestly think that this parka runs large. That's why I have to go down a size. Okay, and just for your reference, I am 5'7" and a half and 180 pounds, and yeah, I am wearing a small size, but I usually wear a medium size. I do have a Langford parka, and I'm wearing a medium size on that one, so you know, just for your reference. Okay, and as for the price of this parka, it is worth $1,695, $100 more compared to the regular ones. Okay, plus tax is $1,898 and 40 cents to be exact. And I think I got the receipt here, just for you to see. Here it is. Okay, I bought this one in Vancouver in Apple store. So unfortunately, if you all know, Black Friday has passed, right? And I was waiting for it if there's a sale, but unfortunately they won't go on sale. Okay, and for my overall opinion about this Canada Goose Bape concept collaboration, I really like it. It's stylish, and you can see its unique design, but it's just kind of heavy. But the fact that this parka is limited and the value is twice the original, so if you're going to ask me, is it worth buying? If you can afford it, then definitely yes, and why not? You know, honestly, I think it's a good investment considering that this parka comes with a lifetime warranty and it holds its value over time. So I think it's worth every penny. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you like it. And if you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on our next video.